Oh, those boys!
Like always, dessert before the main course. Hey, where's Becky?
Off with her brothers learning about nature.
You know, I think that insect book we gave them has opened up a whole new world for Rick and Teddy.
Becky, give me my book. That's not the way to play Ant Wars.
Hey, Rick. Where's the bait? Red leader advancing at 12 o'clock. Prepare to engage. Repeat, prepare to engage.
We are preparing ordnance. Confidence is high. Repeat, confidence is high. They've entered the minefield.
Priority 1. Red leader is escaping. Execute rear assault.
Roger. Look at him scramble.